Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I hope you must be doing very well. This is a weekly forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 29th of April 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must have made good profits last week. So right here, as you can see, I'm on the euro US dollar, and on my right side of the screen there are a lot of the instruments that I want to analyze. I also wanted to analyze a lot of the pairs last week, but then I go so deep into these analysis and in these levels and ratios and all of those calculations that the video lengths become more, and then I have to stop it around 20-24 minutes of length. So right here, euro US dollar, what I have told you last week, just check out my previous video, and this is like a very fantastic move by the market that we have got. First of all, just count the number of candles. This is 1 2 3 4, and that is going to be the fifth candle. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and obviously the Friday, it approached 1.0753. most of you will be remembering, and you will remember that 1.0753 was one of my level, and right here intraday and day traders took complete benefit of this particular move. Now don't just decide on this impulsive wave, because there is a lot in this video that I have to discuss. There are some patterns I have spotted last week on the pound dollar as well, so I will be highlighting that as well for the upcoming week, and we will be finding out what opportunities we can get in the upcoming week so that we can plan our week accordingly. So without starting the analysis part of the video, I highly recommend every one of you to clearly observe these levels. If you check back my previous videos, these are not just random numbers. I properly calculated, and I do it all in front of you, but obviously there is some more hard work at the back, and most of the premium members will know this. So on the dollar index, I want to show you this as well. This point D was completed, so I will be highlighting this in today's video as well, and especially the gold, dollar, yen, and if I have time, all of these pairs I'm going to discuss. So on some pairs there will be breakout retest sequence type of trades. On some pairs there will be 61.8% retracement pullback trades. We will be getting it, the premium ones. I'm sure you are watching me and you will be aware of these terms, right? My goal is to make all of you capable of making good profits on regular basis and grow my channel. This is the truth as well. Then those of you who are thinking, if you are a forex trader, then why you are posting these videos? Well, this is a very tricky question, and I will be able to make a video some other time on that. The other thing I want to tell you is, my friends, patience and greed. These are two things. If we control them, I am sure enough, in the longer run, it can reflect as a very fantastic approach, strategy, or decision that we take. And it definitely, I can promise you, if you control these two things, then you can become a very nice successful trader. So obviously greed can be controlled, but then you will say, how do we control our patience? Some traders are very patient enough that it becomes against them, and some are very less patient or impatient people, so they also lose a lot. If you stay in the middle, I can guarantee you, you will be successful. Now enough talking, let's focus on this euro US dollar first of all, and I have to discuss it because most of the you guys asked me for the analysis for the fresh one. First of all, this level of 1.0752 last week, I gave it for intraday and day traders, and luckily on Friday, on the last trading day, we have got this particular trade opportunity. Personally, if I see this is a very fantastic one without even going. There are some trade setups which go against you even for 10 pips, 20 pips. This one was a setup which barely went a single pip against us. So a fantastic one. And this intraday zone was also broken. So now let's switch back to the daily and let's find out that what actually the market can do in the upcoming few days and few weeks. First of all, if we see, there is a very nice and fantastic trend line that has just been broken last year. And if I draw your attention to this particular trend line, it is clearly broken. Now those of you who are familiar with my strategy, what I usually do with these trend lines is that whenever I spot a trend line, and especially if it is broken to either side of the market, in this case right here it broke to the bottom side, so I will be giving example to the sell side of the market. So when this broke to the bottom side in the market, what usually I do is I have to wait for the broken point and I have to find a Fibonacci somewhere closer to that zone, so it can become a very nice selling point for me, right? The market dropped nicely. Now I have to wait for a correction back, and at the correction I'm going to take a sell trade. So obviously 1.08545 is going to be the fantastic sell area that we can look around and we can plan our trades right here near 1.08352. And the other thing, the drop that occurred, that was on Friday, that occurred, it was completely by the day traders and those traders who were not willing to hold their positions for the next week. So right here we successfully has generated around 128 pips last week on the euro US dollar very safely without getting against us. Congratulations everyone. David, again you made good profits and I think you are the rocking star of the strategy, and I think you are following my advices correctly. That's why it is reflecting on your account as a profit. Now I have to see, okay, this is like fantastically sell area, and if the market drop from right here, this is like the forex rule. If it drops from here, it can also drop till 1.05000. So how do we find that it is going to drop till here or it is going to bounce off from right here? Stay with me. Right here if you see, obviously these sells and 128 pips as a buy, and then 81 pips as a sell. So around we can say 200 pips just the euro dollar gave. But remember, this is a level which I want to see near 1.06909. I want to see if it is broken to the bottom side, then obviously any buying opportunity I have on the intraday level, maybe I will be stopped out with very tiny stop loss. Another concept is usually, and I teach this thing to my premium clients as well, and you will know if you are my premium client and watching this, you know why I usually tell you to keep your stop losses tiny and your take profits bigger. Why? Because if you make it your habit, always you will be making profits, because one good trade can recover 5 bad trades worth of stop losses. So euro dollar, that is amazing. I have to check out for the weekly time frame, and obviously the weekly is promising very nicely towards 1.12893 once again. But remember, trading it without a mentor or a coach will be very hard. So on the daily time frame, this is the situation, and currently I'm waiting for 108,352. If we move on to the H4, obviously the H4 will be showing us a sell area right here, but obviously sell will be only confirmed if market give us a break below, from this zone, a break below, then a retest, and then a continuation to the downside. So I will be looking that separately, and I will try to make separate videos apart from these weekly analysis. I will try to make videos whenever my levels are hit, just in case if the market drops in the upcoming week. Let's suppose if it continue dropping, this is going to be my buying level from 106,584. Upon proper confirmations, on confirmations I have a very detailed video as well. Now another thing, and that is, yes, obviously right here is my WhatsApp number. If you have any sort of problem or anything like that, you can just let me know, and I am sure I will be solving your problems. Plus if you are interested in my premium one-on-one course, I can do that as well, because trading without a mentor is like driving or sailing a ship without a direction, or flying a aeroplane without a direction, so, or without a radar. So a mentor works as a radar who can guide you. Okay, you do this, you do this. Now one last level, and then I will be moving to another pair, but let me delete hide this thing. Usually these videos without editing, I upload them to save my time, and to keep these videos as raw and genuine as I can, because since the start of my channel I tried and I proved to become 100% honest with my audience and then with my clients as well. So one other level, and this level, yes, this 106,584 in the upcoming week can give me good and fantastic profits. And apart from that, there are a lot of other levels, but I can only discuss them on the daily basis on Zoom. So anyone interested may contact me, and yes, if it continue, it can then be reaching towards 105. But let's see, first I'm clearly biased towards the buy side of the market. If the dollar index, obviously it is at point D, the day traders exactly made good profits from right here. On Friday, this pullback is like more giving me vibes of like a fake move, I should say, or to freak out the sellers who took sells from right here. But sellers has not to worry in this situation, because the stop loss is very minimum, and if it moves in the favor, it can bring more than 500-600 pips of profit. So yes, 361 pips right here, but it can even give more than that. And for most of the traders, 361 pips is like a lot of profit. So right here we have to see it on the H4, and obviously I have to see at the left side of the market. You will remember what I said when we were looking for a sell from right here of this false breakout. Still, despite of this false breakout, we managed to trade it and we made profit. Was it any hard? Well, those who don't understand the method exactly, for them it might be hard, but apart from that, this is like a fantastic opportunity right here again for a selling, and for a buying near 103.03 right here towards 106.092. Remember everyone, if you control certain attitudes, like let's suppose when the market is giving you this green signal to the top side of the market, what most of the beginners, and even I have seen pro traders doing this mistake again and again, and I get so angry at my clients when they repeat this mistake. Even most of them are more in elder than me in age, but still I get angry at them a little bit, because it's for their sake. So last week, it's okay, I get a bit because you were saying you want to close this deal very early, and I just said just stay alert and wait for the market. So you waited for the market, you made this much profit, right? So if you listen to me, I can assure you profits will be all yours. So dollar index, I don't personally for myself I don't trade it, but I have clients who trade just the dollar index and the Nasdaq. Situation is like this. Let's see in the upcoming week 106, this is a very good zone. I'm trying to compile a video and make a proper video in which I will be showing you that how I took a trade at point C for my client and made profit, then how this D, and then how B, everything I will be explaining. Moving on to the gold US dollar, what I said is last week I tried to stay neutral. Neutral because right here, if you see right here, it didn't exactly completed this particular zone, though 2394.367. I said I recommended it for a sell last week. So those of you who made profits from it, congratulations. Personally, I couldn't trade it because I am a bit extra careful in this situation. So yes, I couldn't trade it. Let's see, I'm waiting for this pullback. It would be even more good if it reaches here and then if it bounces back. I just missed this, like this one gave this much profit and this one was missed by just this much difference, but it's okay. I'm now waiting for 2394.367. it is going up so that I can sell from 2280. So if market give me 2394, from 2394 I'm going to look for 2280 and obviously a break below and continuation and stuff like that. But this is a bit freaking and scary as well, 2453.871. so let's see what it gives us. Anyways, I'm more biased towards to the sell side of the market, and then to the buy side of the market 2394 and 2453. so now if you understand the Fibonacci, you can check back my strategy, apply those rules on the 4-hour and the 1-hour, do that, and I'm sure you can make good profits out of this complete move. Remember, markets are very Fibonacci friendly these days, and if you can control certain things and if you can wait a little bit for your trading decisions, I can assure you, you will be making good profits, right? So this is gold US dollar. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section down below. I will try to appear right here on this channel once again on Wednesday, and on Wednesday we will be discussing at 10 p.m. my time. I will upload a video and I will discuss these things. By then most of the levels, most of the candles will be formed, and it will be very easy for us to trade. Dollar yen, if you see right here, this was my selling zone, 154.981. I did not took any sell trade. Why I didn't took any sell trade is because, see, there is like no confirmation, no wicks, no bounce from this zone, but it was keep going up. So things seems to be very scary at this particular moment. This ABCD pattern is completed and market is even went beyond that as well. So whenever point D is not respected by the price, it means there is something fishy going to happen right here. So want to stay neutral on the dollar yen in the upcoming week. Pound US dollar, what I said last week, obviously the weekly traders, from right here we took a buy, and this gave us around 211 pips last week. So, and similarly from right there, if you see, this is still like going up, but from there, as an intraday trader, I'm not personally intraday trader, so I'm holding this position with a 62 pips. It is up and my stop is just right here near the break even. So very easy setup, but I am more waiting for a double bottom. If a double bottom near point C is formed, most likely I'm going to trade it to the top side of the market. And remember everyone, this is like the strategy that can change the future, and it has changed my future. Now coming to that same question, if I am a forex trader, why I'm recording these videos and why I'm helping people out there. You know, when back in 2013 when I lost my first $500, that was like a nightmare for me. You know, a person calculating gathering, a person saving money for himself and saving, it becomes $500. I invested it in forex, and when it was gone, like 2 years, like since 2011 till 2013, I was tiny bit from my pocket money I was saving it. So when I lost that, it was like a complete, I was kind of like a going mad kind of situation. I was like kind of getting mad, trying to take revenge from the market, try to take bad trading decisions, and try to tried to take rapid trades, just trade, close, buy. If the market is against me, I took a buy. If it is against me, I closed it in negative. And right here, I opened a sell position. When that sell go against me, I close it in negative. And in a very tiny ranges, I lost that in 2 days. So it was a nightmare for me. Then in 2015, another struggle I did. $500 again, that's gone. Another live, like another bad situation for me. And by then I have decided that I will be doing something right here in the forex market. So that's why I'm helping you all. There is a lot that I'm not sharing right here due to some copyright and some other confidential things that I just only share with my premium clients. So right here is my WhatsApp number. Any one of you who is interested to get my services, if you like my strategy, if you like my levels, I can assure you, you can make very nice profits. Move on to the pound yen right here. If you see, let's see where is the breakout. I was analyzing last night. Right here I have a sell signal running, and I already closed it because it's not going to follow. It's something else is going on. So just skip this for the upcoming week. On the dollar cat, this is a bigger one obviously, right? But again, my analysis is present right here. And if we see, none of my level is hit yet. This is the analysis that I did last week. So 1 2 3 4 5, and when last week I was analyzing it, I saw that it is going to come down. And most of you will remember that this was the sell opportunity, that, oh, this is the buy, this is the sell opportunity that I gave. So those traders who made profits out of it, see, risk to reward of this one is also good. Even this trade was not at a very good price point. See, not a very good price point, but it was confirmed. 1 2 3, like from 2-3 days it was dropping. The next day when it go back up, it took a 61.8% retracement. It dropped, a very fantastic trade opportunity. So this one gave good profits as well. Now these long term, obviously time to time I will be discussing it right here. First I used to analyze these things as well, but when I felt that you guys are not taking interest, then I stopped doing that. Plus the premium clients and those say, if you are charging us, why you are sharing this stuff for free? And believe me, anything that goes free, it loses its value. That's why I'm not making it free. Otherwise this forex things is enough for me and my 3 kids and wife. I can live happily and I can live a very good life. I don't say I'm a millionaire, because to become a millionaire we also need a good sum of capital as well. So if you are a hedge fund manager or someone who are managing good funds, you can contact me and I can then tell you that how profit is actually made. So this is the situation of the dollar cat as well. Let's see, these are the levels, just have a look at them. And yes, pretty much this is it. Bitcoin, let's just have a look at it. It also did same thing. You know, if anyone, if you know someone who is trading on the Bitcoin, I think it is getting back down to 43,242. So a very golden opportunity this will be. I didn't want it to announce it, but I had to do because I get several requests from all of you. So let's see the upcoming week. The chart seems so much promising, and I think it will be giving us good profits. And if you are watching me for the first time, just click the subscribe button, the bell icon. And if you are watching me for a long time and if you are still not profitable from these videos, you can contact me. I can give you my full services. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me. I'll see you maybe on Wednesday. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.